In the heart of the glowing forest, 9 challenges appeared, and the game began.
What kind of game is this?
This is the wolf's trial, and one of you is already the wolf.
Wait, what do you mean one of us?
The game has begun.
It's a psychological game, like Werewolf, but the stakes are real. If one of us is the wolf, how do we vote without losing someone innocent?
To truly win, one must understand the nature of trust. Voting begins. 1 vote each. The player with the most votes will be eliminated.
We don't have time for morals. Vote wrong and we all pay. So, who's the weakest link?
Wait, we just got here. How can we know anything yet? We haven't...
That's exactly what the wolf would say. Back off. He's just scared, like all of us. It doesn't mean he's the wolf.
What about Mira? She seems too calm. Because panic is unhelpful, and so are baseless accusations. You're the one deflecting. You brought up the game rules first, almost like you knew what to expect.
We vote in silence. But remember, the wolf lies best in chaos.
Cast your vote.
Vote complete. Player selected for elimination.